like this, then you're a lucky person, because this is a pretty gnarled tree, and it's easy to climb. And honestly, you just can't be scared of heights. That is literally the only thing. What's up, everybody? So I got a question of if I could make a video about climbing trees, and as of right now I am in one, but I mean, I could go higher, but I'm not gonna take the risk because I want to make the video today and I don't want to die. I'm gonna start at the bottom of this tree, and it's easy to climb. And so we're gonna start off with the branch sizes and what you should and should not climb, and maybe you should, but just be careful, because you know you gotta be careful. So this is, as you can see, it's sturdy, but who knows how sturdy it is. So if you ever see a branch like this, look at it's the size of the grip of my hand. If you ever see a branch like this, you always want to step as close as here, because you do not, you put all your weight there, you probably fall. But here's the point that you step on. Grab my phone. I got one hand that I'm climbing with. So I would put a foot here. Got one hand climbing here. Put my other foot here. All right. Now this is the middle of the tree. I'll step right there. Okay. What you want to do is just be safe, because that's the main thing. Okay. And if you ever fall, just try to grasp anything that you can. That's what I have to tell you. Now I said that I probably wouldn't be going this high. That's where I was standing when I said that, and this is where I'm gonna go. So I don't have anything to hold my camera, so I don't know how it would work. I can't do it. I'll pick another tree and I'll go from there. So I found a simple tree. It's just a video for beginners, you know. You don't want to hop on a tree that's so insane for your first try, or if you do, then you'll be just like me. All right, so this is ideal right here. Having a branch to grab on, easiest thing to do. What you're gonna do is you're gonna want to start here, right? You see, you got two branches right here, one for each arm. Right, I pulled myself up from, we have this large one right here. We got these. This is where I'm gonna put my foot right in the middle. I'm gonna start climbing my way. We got a branch right here. Put my foot here. I'm gonna make my way to where you are. Now, this is just an alright tree. Okay, there's a lot of pines everywhere. The tree's falling apart. You know, it's not that climbable. Well, it's climbable, but you know, you can't go that high. I'm gonna go up one more step. All right. So this is the second tree that I taught you about. It's really simple. We're gonna go try to find a hard tree to climb up, and like how I would get up it. This one isn't that high. So all right, I'll get back to you in a second, guys. And if you're new to the channel, by the way, hit that like, hit the subscribe. We're trying to build this channel to 1,000 subscribers. That's the first goal. And I know in the beginning of the channel I said that I would be doing a giveaway. I am still doing the giveaway. I still have a ton of hats to give away, and that will happen at 1,000 subs. I'm sorry for the slackage of the slackage, but I promise you, and I promise on my life, that they will be handed out, they'll be given out. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Help me build my channel. Thanks for all the support so far. Let's go find another tree. So you see this tree right here, and you see the big base, and you see that the actual tree is probably 7 feet. I'm only 6 feet tall. It's pretty tall up there. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to jump. You're gonna have to take the risk that you could jump and grab that. This is just a tree that you could just chill in, because there really isn't much climbing more that you could do after you get up there. So I'm just gonna get up there and show you what chilling in the tree and vibing out is. It really sucks that like I can't have someone like record me as I try to jump up there, because then like that would be like, then you would get more of an idea of ideas. Almost. Alright. Could you see that? Alright. And if you walk yourself up the branch, like if you walk this way, you'll be able to see where I'm just hanging right now. Hiya, hiya. This is the most ideal part. Well, not ideal, it's kind of struggle. It is all body weight. I think this is gonna be like my new chill spot. It's pretty dope. Look at my feet. I got a perfect spot to sit in. Like, if you just wanted to chill out, listen to some music, draw. I should have brought my notebook to draw. I actually got a new notebook, everybody, and I've been drawing every single day, but I've been trying, like, sometimes I go back to the same picture because I haven't finished it. And I started like a whole like different like stuff, like cool stuff, but I started drawing stick figures too, and like so I could start getting the feel of shoulders, knees, elbows, like, you know, like different movements in stick figures. And because someone on YouTube started with a stick figure, then he started with a stick figure with joints, now it's a mannequin, and you know, like just circle his neck and like joints, pretty much joints. And so my next step is learning more of a cartoon. And that's what I was trying to go for. I'm trying to get more into my drawings, because eventually I could draw my own type of label, my own type of, you know, like I could draw cool things, you know, like, and I love drawing, so you know what I mean, you know. But yeah, there really isn't a lot of trees to climb over here. This is my second favorite one. This tree is awesome, so I'll be climbing this tree more, definitely. The first tree that I was in is my favorite tree so far. This is my second favorite. I like sitting in it so far. Like, this is actually a pretty freaking chill spot. Oh yeah, I put a shell in my dread. It's kind of a thick dread, so I'm like surprised that like it stayed in. Like, I'm surprised this is like the only dread that the shell would stay. And I've even slept with this shell too, and it actually stayed, so awesome. I'll be having a dread video coming out. Sorry that I haven't really done updates. I'm actually on my 3rd month. That was on the 21st. The 21st of this month was my 3rd month of having dreadlocks. They're coming along really good. I still have ant antennas. They don't sit. And I wear headphones, like the gaming headphones, a lot, so I push them back. So I guess that's what. This one is honestly the only one that is relaxed. As you can see, it's just sitting on my face like that. And, you know what I mean? Like, it's pretty chill. But yeah, I have a whole bunch of like updates coming. Like, I haven't updated on like anything within like my showering with no shampoo and body soap. Like, I haven't came to you guys with that, which is going amazing, by the way. I only use apple cider vinegar and baking soda for washing my hair once a month, but I wash every week with water just regularly. And yeah, so we're gonna find one more tree. And if it's your first time climbing, just go for like the basic tree at first that I showed you, the second tree that I went to. Because if you just go jumping onto one of these and then you're like, how do I get down? Like, what do I do when I get down? Like, you could hang from the branch and you could drop, you could front flip off if you could front, no, I'm just joking, but you could front flip off. Definitely, I'm gonna get out of this tree. I'm gonna go find another one. If you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. Tell y'all like what my long weekend was about, and the videos that I'm coming up with, and my new backpack that I got is awesome. And what else I got? I got a new tapestry too. You go check those out. Those freaking sweet. Those are awesome. Can't wait to hang up the tapestry. I still haven't, because I'm still thinking about like how I should take down my tapestry that I have so far, the one that I dyed. And I'm thinking about making like a cardigan out of it, or some I don't know, I'll make something out of it. I'm gonna start getting into sewing too, guys. Like, I want to start making my own clothes. Like, it'd be pretty sweet to just make a random cloth shirt out of a random fabric with like a whole bunch of different colors. And like, you know, honestly, lately I've been feeling my tie-dye shirt. It's literally like, it looks so awesome. And looks great. Like tie-dye is like literally like awesome and like sweet and like, are you gonna jump with me, or are you gonna stay in the tree? Are you gonna jump with me, or are you gonna stay in the tree? Are you gonna jump with me, or are you gonna stay in the tree? Yeah. All right, so woo. Well, I said we were gonna find another tree, and yeah, look at this tree. Yo, this tree is sick. This is like are you, this is a table. Like, are you serious? Look at this. Like, what? You could just chill here. This is actually a wonderful tree to just chill on. This is the tree, like, for real, seriously. So I know I said I would climb a tree, but hey, I found a tree. But you know what, I'm gonna climb it. I'm gonna actually go to this branch right here, and you see that there's no branches coming off to be able to go up to that branch. Well, sometimes, like, you see how this tree is more in a slant. Do you see this indulge or whatever, you know, indent in it? It goes in like that. There's little spots that you could always climb up on a tree. Like, doesn't always have to be a branch. I've been just letting my hair freeform. That's the way I'm going now. It's just gonna freeform it, and all the hair in the back of my head actually came out, and now it's starting to freeform into dreads. I guess that's because, like, I sleep on it a lot. But let's climb up this. Very simple. I'm a tall guy, so maybe not simple with one hand. So we're gonna grab on the side of the tree. I can't do this with one hand. I'm sorry. Hold on. All right, well, this is on a ghetto slant, and it's chilling on the top of the tree, so if it falls, then it falls. The wind was too strong. But so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna grasp onto the tree, and you can't be scared, because that's when you're not good. And there's a branch over there. I'm gonna grab onto it. You can literally see that my feet are grasping the tree, and I just went there like that. Whew. Now that's serious. Oh my gosh. Well, I'd say you just wanted to chill on a tree like that, and that's how you would get up there. Yeah, look at that sap. Yee. Does not taste attractive. You see the way I got up. It's not easy. You literally, you need, yo, seriously, you really need to just have faith in yourself, because if you don't have faith, then I probably wouldn't have made it up that tree. You know what I mean? Like, there was one point I just slipped, and there's a branch all the way over here that I grabbed the branch on that side like this, but I climbed my way up. I was on that side, but I'm on this side. You know what I mean? Like, there's just be safe. Literally be safe. How would I get down from this tree? Literally, I probably couldn't tell you, because it is probably 10 feet high. Yeah, I'm a little, my palms are getting sweaty. I'm a little nervous on how I would get down, which is this branch, and I'm just gonna do it. Like, just do it. All right, so wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna throw the camera on the ground. Hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. I'm gonna lean against this. Help me out for a second? I'm in the tree, but I need your help with a camera. Could you hold my camera? Awesome. I know, it looks like, how did I get up here? But the real question is, how am I getting down? But I have it. I know what I'm gonna do. If you could hold this camera for me and shoot it towards me like that. I'm gonna drop it to you. Yes, good. All right. And just hold it towards me. Oh yeah, just like that.
Just like that? Is it running?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys. So
where do you want it?
Right there.
Just like that, huh?
So if you guys are in a tree and you can't come down the same way that you came down, well, actually I can. This is what I'm gonna do. It's all about faith.
There you go.
Thank you. So as you seen how I got down from that tree, you just can't be scared and have to have faith, because if I was scared the whole time, I probably wouldn't have even got down. And I'm glad someone came over with a dog, because if they didn't come, then you wouldn't have got that on camera. Then you would have questioned, how'd he get down? So I'm gonna be ending my video off in a tree. That tree was pretty gnarly right there, I swear. That tree right there was serious. Like, I quadruple thought about how I was gonna get down, but you see how I got down? Just have faith in yourself. But if you're gonna start climbing trees, I would pick ones like this. It's a nice little tree, but you know, you have some branches. You can climb up to the next step and go out, you know what I mean? Like, just be careful. Just be careful. My dreadlocks are starting to lock up a lot. It's literally all about patience, and that's what life's main key is, patience. So, because patience is virtue, and they literally, that saying right there is literally on point and key. So take that into consideration and put it with anything and everything that you're doing, and see like, oh yeah, patience for this thing is actually in the long time is going to pay out. Not pay out as in money, but pay out as in maybe learning, or maybe getting a trick down, or, you know, just maybe climbing trees. So definitely hold patience like it was a key to the door. Definitely stay amazing, stay wonderful, stay spectacular, spontaneous, stay spontaneous, and just believe, and, you know, be amazing, you know, just be great. Have a wonderful time. If you haven't seen my last video, link is in the description. Hit that like button. You know, more people will end up seeing my video. You hit that like button. Sorry I always look away. I should be looking more at y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're new to the channel and you like the video, definitely hit the like button. If you hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the notification. Get more great content. I love being myself, and I love doing what I do best. Soon I will be showing you my sketchbook. It's a 70-page sketchbook, so that'll be a video one day. I'm definitely gonna hit you with a 4-month dreadlock update before the 5-month. And yeah, stay amazing, stay wonderful, stay great. It's TF Tallfrenchy True Facts. Peace out. Have a great day.